My Heavenly Father, today my heart is overwhelmed. My thoughts feel heavy, my soul feels tired, and my mind cannot find rest. The world around me spins fast. News of wars, pain, broken relationships, financial pressures, endless decisions. And in the middle of it all, I feel lost. God, I come to you as I am. Not with perfect words, not with a clean slate, but with trembling hands and a weary heart. I lay my fears at your feet. The fear of the unknown, of not being enough, of failure, of loneliness. You know how hard I try to smile through the pain, to carry on when all I want is peace. Please, Lord, give me that peace, the kind that surpasses understanding, the kind that settles storms, silences doubts, and holds me even when the world cannot. Let your stillness flood my mind and wrap around my soul like a warm embrace. Quiet the noise of anxiety. Calm the chaos inside me. Remind me that I am not alone in this, that you walk with me even in the shadows, that you understand what no one else sees. When I feel invisible, you notice me. When I feel unheard, you are listening. When I feel unloved, you draw me near. Lord, heal the parts of me that feel broken, the wounds I don't talk about, the disappointments I've buried, the stress that keeps me awake at night. Replace my panic with peace, my striving with surrender, my worry with worship. Teach me to breathe again, not just physically, but spiritually, to inhale your truth and exhale my fears. Help me let go of what I cannot control and trust in what you are working behind the scenes. God, I ask for comfort, not just for me, but for everyone who's hurting today. For the parent grieving a loss, for the teenager feeling unseen, for the lonely soul in a crowded world, for the anxious heart that just wants a moment of calm. Be near to them all. Be near to me. Help me to remember, you are still God, still good, still with me. And even when I can't feel it, even when life feels dark, I choose to believe that your peace is coming, that your comfort is enough, and that your arms are always open. Thank you for never giving up on me. In Jesus' holy and healing name, amen.